Welcome to this demonstration of Diablo on Amiga 1200 with 060 100 MHz. Enjoy! Okay, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do in Diablo. I just want to show you how Diablo works on this 100 MHz 060 Amiga. Enjoy! What should I do in this game? I have no idea. I just wanted to show you how it works. I can run. Okay. I can walk around here. What I'm supposed to do here, I'm not. Okay. I can't walk here. No. I can't go here. As you see, the game runs quite nicely on the 060. I haven't tested so much. Charges, strength, quests, spells. I have no idea about this type of games. I have a knife, it seems. Let me just walk around here. Oh, I can walk inside there? No? Okay, I can talk with this person. Oh, I can't talk to him in the Shareware version. How fortunate I am. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye. This was the limitations of Shareware versions of the games before. You could only play a certain amount of time.
Hello, my friend. Stay a while and listen.
Oh, I can't talk to him neither.
I don't have a spell ready.
Me neither.
Wow, what can I do for you?
I can't talk to him neither. Buy? Can I buy something? I have no gold. Oh, I can buy something. Yes. I don't know. Buy premium items. Oh, lots of different things you can buy from him. Leave the shop. Okay. Can I use the arrow keys? No. The This is Diablo on the Amiga, the shareware version.
Thank goodness you returned. Much has changed since you lived here, my friend. All was peaceful until the Dark Riders came and destroyed our village. Many were cut down where they stood, and those who took up arms were slain or all dragged away to become slaves. Or worse. The church at the edge of town has been desecrated and is being used for dark rituals. The screams that echo in the night are inhuman, but some of our townsfolk may yet survive. Follow the path that lies between my tavern and the blacksmith shop to find the church and save who you can. Perhaps I can tell you more when we speak again. Good luck.
Okay. Well, this is see Diablo on Amiga music. I can change the gamma color cycling off. Okay. Well, this was the demonstration of Diablo. Hope you liked it, enjoyed it, whatever, and have an awesome day. Bye bye.